What if all 8 billion people on Earth jumped at exactly the same moment? Would the planet move? Could we cause an earthquake? Or could we actually change Earth's orbit around the sun? At first, it sounds terrifying. 8 billion people may not seem like much individually, but together they weigh hundreds of billions of kilograms. That's a lot of mass suddenly leaving the ground. If every human somehow gathered in one location and jumped perfectly together, the Earth would technically move, but the movement would be so tiny that nobody would ever notice it. In fact, the entire planet would shift by less than the width of a single atom. That's smaller than anything your eyes could ever see, and far too small to affect Earth's orbit. But here's where things get interesting. The real problem isn't the jump, it's the landing. 8 billion people crashing back down at once would create a massive shockwave through the ground. But even then, scientists estimate the impact would be nowhere near strong enough to create a major earthquake. Earth experiences forces far greater every single day from natural processes. For comparison, the energy released by a moderate earthquake can be thousands or even millions of times greater than the combined jump of every human on the planet. So despite all 8 billion people working together, the Earth would barely notice. To our planet, humanity is surprisingly light compared to the immense mass beneath our feet. The truth is that mountains, oceans, tectonic plates, and even the moon exert far greater influences on Earth than every person alive combined. So if everyone on Earth jumped at the same time, the biggest result probably wouldn't be moving the planet. It would be 8 billion people wondering why they just jumped for no reason.